Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video we are explore the Internet of Things IoT. It's very interesting point. So let's get start the video. The Internet of Things IoT is a transformative technology trends that has been reshaping various industries and everyday life. It refers to the network of interconnected physically objects or things that can communicate and exchange data over the internet without direct human intervention. These objects can be anything from smart applications and uh, wearable devices to ma- industrial mechanics and center. Here's a comprehensive exploration of IoT. Okay, the next is point number one is key components of IoT. Devices, things. These are the physical objects or devices that are equipped within sensors, actuators, and connective modules to collect it and transmit data. Okay. The next is connectivity. IoT devices are connected to the internet via various communications protocols like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, cellular network, 3G, 4G, 5G, or LPWAN, low power wide area network technologies. Okay, I am very bad seeing. Oh, the next is data processing. Collected data is sent to cloud-based servers or edge computing devices for processing and analysis. The next is user interface. User interface with IoT devices and access data through web or mobile applications. The next is second point number is applications of IoT. Smart homes. IoT enables smart homes automation where devices like thermostats, lights, and security system can be controlled remotely. Okay, the next is healthcare. Wearable IoT devices can mention vital signs and transmit data and healthcare providers for remote patient monitoring. Okay, the next is industrial IoT used in manufacturing and industrial setting to optimize operations, mentioned, equipped, and improve efficiency. Smart cities. IoT help manage urban infrastructures from traffic light and waste management to energy conservation and public transportation. Okay, the next is agriculture. IoT sensors assist in precision agriculture by monitoring solid conditions, wear and crop health. Okay, the next is logistics and supply chain. IoT improves tracking, monitoring, and inventory management in logistics and supply chain operations. The next is environmental monitoring. Sensor collected data on air quality, water quality, and climate change. Okay, the next is retail. IoT is used for inventory management, customer tracking, and personalized shopping experience. Okay, the third is benefits of IoT. Efficiency. IoT can automate tasks, reduce operational costs, and improve resourcing utilized. Okay, the next is data driven insights. It provides valuable data for decision making and predictive analysis. The next is convenience. IoT devices enhance daily life with smart home controls, wearable tech, and connected vehicles. Okay, the next is safety and security. IoT can enhance security system and emergency response. Okay, the next is sustainability. IoT help in optimizing resourcing usage, reducing wastes, and mitigating environmental impacts. Okay, the next is change and concerns. Okay, then point number first is security. IoT devices can be IoT devices can be vulnerable to cyber attack and data breaches. The next is privacy. Collecting and sharing personal data through IoT raises privacy concerns. Okay, the next is scalability. Management of vast number of device and data can be challenging. Okay, the fifth is future of trends. Trends future 5G connectivity. The rollout of 5G network will enhance IoT connectivity and enable more real life applications. Okay, the next is edge computing. Processing data to the edges will reduce latency and improve responsives. Okay, the next is AI integration. IoT devices will increasingly incorporate artificial intelligence for smarter decision making. Okay, the next is blockchain. Blockchain technology can enhance the security and trust worthless of IoT data. So, exploring IoT involves understanding its components, applications, benefits, challenges, and future trends. It's rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolution various industries and improve our daily lives. However, it also comes with important considerations. related to security, privacy, and ethical concerns that need to be addressed as the technology continues to advance. Okay, guys.